Barcelona's Spotify Camp Nou is buzzing with activity, and Go Norte is finally stepping into the spotlight. For the first time, concrete sandwich panels are being installed, and the compression ring is loading radial beams at an impressive pace. A near-miss beam lift added some drama, showing just how intense the work has become. This week's progress perfectly highlights the skill, coordination, and dedication of the teams on site. Today is the biggest update yet at Go Norte, and the progress is impressive. Llamas are going up after guides and anchors were already set, and the zone is buzzing with activity. Yesterday there were none, but now several panels are in place, with more on the way. Workers are connecting guides and adjusting anchors. In the corner, the first sandwich panel is up on the frontal structure, while lateral sections are already covered with panels in bright yellow. The sun is shining, the activity is non-stop, and this corner of Go Norte is alive with energy. Goals continues to shine across the stadium. On the left, workers move smoothly across scaffolds, installing sapandas to prepare for the slab panels. Go Sur leads overall, but Go Norte's work nearby is turning heads, showing strong progress and excellent teamwork. Go Norte has received its first concrete sandwich panels on central and lateral sections, transforming the zone from bare steel to a structured space. Anchors and guides are in place, and slat installation is just around the corner. Go Norte's pace this week proves its efficiency and coordination. Truly a remarkable turnaround. Prefabricated bleachers in Go Sur are nearly complete, with only a few final sections left. Painting and seat installation are just around the corner. Outside, the slat facade is fully installed, leaving only minor gaps around pillars. The precision and quality of work here really stand out, showcasing the dedication of the on-site teams. The compression ring is alive with activity. Large flanges are locking radial beams into place while scaffolds buzz with workers. A radial beam was ready to lift, adding excitement to the day. Multiple pieces are staged, and the next visit could finally see this massive beam rise, dramatically reshaping the stadium skyline. At ground level in Tribuna, finishing touches are underway. Steel beams are coated for protection, mounts for a large screen are in place, and glass panels above the diamond entrance are fully installed. Concrete and block work above continues, steadily moving this section closer to completion. The craftsmanship here is impressive and very clean. The corner between G Norte and the lateral zone is buzzing with activity. Cranes lift structural pieces while workers finalize slat support brackets. The diamond entrance glass facade is complete, black tarps are fixed, and ramp earthwork continues. Everything is coming together seamlessly, showing excellent coordination across zones. By the end of the week, Go Norte has advanced with its first concrete sandwich panels. The compression ring is loading beams at speed, and Go Sur's bleacher installation is almost complete. Next week promises even more exciting progress, and that radial beam could finally rise, reshaping Spotify Camp Nou. Subscribe to channel to catch it live.